Veratrak is an enterprise SaaS platform that specifically operates in the pharmaceutical vertical. And at a high level, what we do is we remove the need for peer-to-peer integrations between a pharma company and their outsourced service providers. And this allows overall visibility across the entire supply chain. And prior to engaging with Teem, we had founder-led sales. We were live in production environment, so we felt that we had good product market fit. We were winning deals. We actually had contracts with some of the top 10 global pharmaceutical companies by revenue. So some pretty good traction for a small team, but we knew that if we wanted to build on that, we needed someone who had experience managing a long sales cycle from start to finish that could solely focus on that. And of course, our founder is the CEO, who also had to be a CEO. So didn't have quite as much time to do that anymore. And that's what led us to engage with Teem. We had hired salespeople in the past, though we went to market with a slightly different job description, looking for a slightly different profile. And what we learned was that those were both incorrect. We were quite confident in what we were looking for and the specifics of that. We knew that they had to fit culturally with the entire organization, but also fit within this team so that they could be in the best environment for themselves to be successful. And it's tricky to define something like that. That was challenging at first, but working with Teem and Harry at Teem, we were able to really nail down what that looks like. And eventually Harry became a very good gauge on what that looked like. We did get some good advice on the types of companies that we could find this individual from or their past experience. And whereas we had an idea of, let's say, verticals that might be on their CV, Teem was able to say, how about these verticals as well? And when we talked about it, we thought, yeah, that would make sense. What I really liked about Teem was the respect that Harry gave of my time. I know he was busy as well, but he was extremely succinct and efficient, and I truly appreciate that. And Harry was able to give me a summary of everything in a way that allowed us to just keep moving forward.